Let's see if the balance robot can reach the crawler robot this time. Wow, it made it all the way there.
It went right up to give it a big robot hug. The balance robot wants to hug the crawler robot.
Hi, I'm Yuri.
Hi everyone, I'm Xena. Welcome to YX Kids Lab. Today I made a super cute balance robot. Look at its big silly eyes. These two big wheels help it zoom forward. When we switch it on, the motor starts working. Then the gears turn and the wheels start spinning. Science is so much fun. If you like it, come build with us. Let's start building. It's finished! Yuri, can we test it one more time?
Sure.
Ready, go!
Wow, it's moving fast and it's still balanced.
The motor drives the gears and the gears turn the wheels. Most of the weight is below the wheel axle so it can keep its balance.
Actually, not every part is below it. The center of gravity is below the axle.
The spinning wheels can make a little breeze.
Can you feel the breeze?
Yes,
Oh, there really is a breeze. There's a stronger breeze on this side. Xena, what do you think will happen if I hold these two big wheels? If we switch it on, will the robot body spin by itself?
I don't think it will, because this part doesn't spin either.
Then let's test it and find out.
Super turbo spin wheel. Magic spinny spin time.
Wow, it's worked! If you like this science toy, please remember to subscribe.
See you next time. Bye-bye.